Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Malarkodi Velraj, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacognosy, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, VISTAS. Today, I'm going to give a general introduction of composition, chemistry, chemical classes, biological sources, therapeutic uses, and commercial applications of the secondary metabolite volatile oils. The main objective is to make the students to acquire knowledge about the volatile oils, the biological sources of the various plants producing volatile oils, chemical composition of volatile oils, extraction of volatile oils, uses and commercial applications. These are the contents: introduction, occurrence, special structures where the volatile oils are present, chemistry, composition, properties, types, classification, and isolation of volatile oils. Before going into the depth, let us see the definition of volatile oils. Volatile oils constitute the most important odorous principle found in various plant pots. Because they evaporate when exposed to air at ordinary temperatures, they are called volatile oils. They are also called as ethereal oils since they are very light in weight, and are also known as essential oils since they form the essence of the plants. The difference between an volatile oil and fixed oil are as follows. Volatile oils are also called as essential oils. They evaporate when placed under room temperature. They can be extracted easily by the distillation process. There is no spark left when after even evaporation. They are unable to undergo saponification. Mixtures of cleoptins and stereoptins are termed as volatile oils. They possess a very high refractive index. They are optically active, and the primary source where the volatile oils occurs are the leaves, roots, plants, and barks. The fixed oils are as called as natural non-volatile oil. Fixed oils do not evaporate at room temperature, and they require some specific techniques for the process of extraction. Some types of spart, that is, as permanent spart, is left after evaporation. Fixed oils can be easily saponified. Esters of higher fatty acids and glycerin are called as fixed oils. They possess a very low refractive index. They are optically inactive, and the major source where the fixed oils occur is the seed of the plants. Occurrence of volatile oils. They are commonly found in the species of Labiataceae family plants, Rutaceae, Piperaceae, Gingiberaceae, Umbelliferae, Myrtaceae, and Laraceae. In Labiataceae family plants, the volatile oils occur in the glandular hairs of the plants. They occur in modified parenchyma cells in the family of Piperaceae plants. Special tubes or oil tubes in pericarp of fruits of Umbelliferae, lysogenous and schizogenous cavities in Rutaceae family plants. In the conifers, volatile oils may occur in almost all the tissues. In rose, they occur in petals. In case of cinnamon, they occur in the bark part. In coriander, they occur in the fruits. The special structures. These are some of the special structures where the volatile oils are present, like glandular trichomes, lysogenous oil glands, and specialized oil ducts. Chemistry of volatile oils. Chemically, volatile oils are derived from terpenes and terpenoids. Terpenes are compounds containing carbon atoms in multiples of 5, and they are made up of isoprene units and are usually monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, diterpenes, respectively. Terpenoids are oxygen-containing terpenes or oxygenated derivatives like alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, phenols, oxides, and esters. The word terpene is derived from turpentine. Down, we can see some of the examples of monoterpenes, sesquiterpenes, and diterpenes. Composition of volatile oils. Volatile oils are generally composed of two portions, a hydrocarbon portion and an oxidized hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon portion is a terpene derivative which is derived from acetate malonylic acid pathway and are called eleoptenes and mostly occur in form of liquids. Oxidized hydrocarbons are derived from the cyclimic acid phenylpropanoid pathway and are called as stereooptenes, generally occur in form of solids. The odor and taste of volatile oils is due to the oxygenated part. When eleoptenes and stereooptenes combine, they result in the formation of the volatile oils. Properties of volatile oils. Volatile oils, when fresh, are colorless liquids, few are crystalline or amorphous solid. On long standing, they become darker in color, especially when exposed to air and direct sunlight, and therefore they have to be stored in tightly closed amber colored bottles in a cool, dry place. Volatile oils are soluble in alcohol. ether, and other lipid solvents practically insoluble in water. Volatile oils have a very high refractive index, optically active, and possess characteristic odor. They are secreted in special structures such as glandular trichomes, lysogenous or schizogenous glands, vitae, oil ducts, oil canals, etc. They are commonly found in Labiatae, Rutaceae, Myrtaceae, Lauraceae, Piperaceae, Gingiberaceae, and Amblyperae family plants. Most volatile oils occurs free, but some are combined with resins known as oleoresins, and when seen combined with gum and resins, they are known as the oleogum resins. Types of volatile oils. There are four types of volatile oils known as concrete, pomades, resinoids, and absolutes. Concrete is obtained from raw materials of vegetable origin and have a true to nature fragrance. Pomades contain 50% of wax and 50% of essential oil. Resinoids are prepared from natural resinous material. Absolutes are obtained from concrete or resinoid by alcoholic extraction. Classification of volatile oils. The chemical nature of volatile oils are hydrocarbons. Examples are turpentine and black pepper, phenol containing volatile oils like clove and thyme, alcohol containing volatile oils like cardamom, coriander, and sandalwood, aldehyde containing volatile oils, cinnamon, lemon peel, and orange peel, ketone volatile oils, caraway, spearmint, camphor, esters, example lavender and mustard, ether containing volatile oils, anise, fennel, and nutmeg, oxide containing volatile oils, xenopodium, and eucalyptus. Isolation of volatile oils. Volatile oils are extracted by steam distillation, solvent extraction, expression method, enfleurage techniques. Expression method. This method is used for the extraction of citrus oil, wherein the oil cells in the ring are ruptured mechanically using pointed projections by twisting the raw materials either mechanically or manually. Steam distillation method. Steam distillation is the widely used method for plant oil extraction. The proportion of the essential oil extracted by means of steam distillation is 93%, and the remaining 7% can be further extracted by means of other methods. Basically, the sample is placed in a boiling water and heated by steam. The heat applied is the main cause of the burst of the cells, which contains the volatile oils, and break down the cell structure of the plant material. As a consequence, the aromatic compound or the essential oil from the plant materials are released through the condenser. And the temperature of heating must be enough to break down the plant material and releases the aromatic compound or the essential oil, which is being collected separately. Extraction by volatile solvent. Some essential oils are sensitive to heat and hence decompose during distillation. In such cases, the plant material is directly treated with the light petrol at temperature of 50 degrees C, and the solvent is removed by distillation under reduced pressure. Enfleurage method. The fat taken in glass plates is warmed to about 50 degrees C, and then its surface is covered with the floral petals, allowed to remain as such for several days until the fat is saturated with the essential oil, and the old petals may be replaced by the fresh ones. The petals are often removed, and the fat is extracted with the lipid solvent, and essential oils are distilled under reduced pressure to remove the solvent. Medicinal uses of volatile oils. The therapeutic uses of essential oils have a different range. They are used to maintain the cardiovascular system. Sometimes the volatile oils are used as antibacterial and coagulant sedatives, and they are used to strengthen the natural immunity. The volatile oils are also used as anti-allergic, antispasmodic, and antiseptic. Sometimes the volatile oils they are used as antiparasitic, antimicrobial, and carminative. They are also used to remove inflammations, anti-allergic, and antipruritic, and they are also having a very good pesticidal activity and hepatoprotective activity. So, thank you for patient listening.